Hi there, welcome to question 8, JAMB Physics 2020. Calculate the amount of heat required to convert 2 kg of ice at 2 degrees Celsius to water at 0 degrees Celsius, given specific heat capacity of ice and the specific latent heat of fusion of ice. So, to calculate the total heat, that is to say the heat required to convert 2 kg of ice to 2 kg of water at 2 degrees Celsius, and that is ml plus the heat required to convert 2 kg of water at 2 degrees Celsius to 2 kg of water at 0, that is simply MC, difference in temperature. Okay, so already been given the parameters. The mass we're looking in question here is 2 kg times the latent heat of fusion, which is what? 33 kilojoule, which means we're talking of 333,000 joules. Now, right, then we're going to add that to the mass. The mass still remain 2 kg times the specific latent heat as given in the question, 2090 joules per kilogram per Celsius, the times the difference in temperature. What is the difference in temperature? There you say 2. Good. So you're going to punch in your calculator 2 times this plus 2 times this, and you're going to arrive at your final question answer 672,360 joules. That is the total amount of heat required in this question. So the answer option D is the right answer. See you in the next question, and don't forget to like, comment. Bye.